Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Rolls-Royce RV conjures up a vision of unmatched grandeur that is expertly merged with the usefulness of mobile living. Such a car would go beyond what is typically thought of as a recreational vehicle and would represent the brand's steadfast dedication to fine craftsmanship, luxurious materials, and a comfortable ride for passengers. This fictitious Rolls-Royce Motorhome's external design would probably follow the classic aesthetic guidelines of the brand. The recognizable Pantheon grille, possibly discreetly incorporated into a design that recognizes the aerodynamic constraints required for a vehicle of this size, would guarantee a powerful presence. The carefully carved panels and flowing lines, coated in a rich, glossy paint, would radiate a subtle yet distinct elegance. Its illustrious heritage would be identified by discreet badging and trademark features, such the spirit of ecstasy placed understatedly. Entering would reveal a haven of custom-made luxury. The best natural materials would be used in the painstakingly constructed interior. The surfaces and seats would be covered with plush leather that has been hand-stitched and dyed in custom colors. An atmosphere of refinement would be created by rare and well-chosen wood veneers, perhaps inlaid with elaborate design. Every footfall would be cushioned by deep pile lambswool rugs, adding to the peaceful, quiet mood. The living area would be carefully planned to provide all the conveniences of a luxurious home. Custom furniture that is as meticulously made as Rolls-Royce cars would offer sophisticated places to sit and unwind. The resident's leisure would be served by a subtly integrated entertainment system with cutting-edge audio and video equipment. Expansive, finely made windows would let in natural light, which would brighten the lavish surroundings. The kitchen would be an example of elegant living on the go. High-end appliances would be housed in bespoke cabinets that blend in perfectly with the overall design. Beautiful natural stone surfaces would be both aesthetically pleasing and functional. With a luxuriously furnished bed and the best linens, the sleeping area would provide a peaceful haven that would guarantee a good night's sleep. With high-end equipment and finishes that mimic the opulence found in the most exclusive homes worldwide, the en-suite bathroom would be a sanctuary of luxury. The newest technological developments would be effortlessly incorporated into the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV to improve travel without disturbing the tranquil atmosphere. This would contain highly developed sound insulation, intelligent climate management, and covertly installed connectivity elements. Even while passenger comfort in a car of this kind may be more important, the driving experience would still showcase Rolls-Royce's engineering skill and provide a comfortable and easy ride. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome would essentially be more than just a car. It would be a mobile estate, a haven of unmatched luxury that would enable its owners to travel the world without sacrificing the level of comfort and sophistication they have come to anticipate. It would be the pinnacle of custom travel, a demonstration of the skill of crafting an incredibly unique and customized experience.